As matter actually for arguments by the PP, we had argued our anticipatory claim. But आज त्यांच्यानी एक ॲप्लिकेशन फाईल केला की offenses were committed prior to coming into force of BNS. And now they want to invoke the sections under IPC, not BNS. So they have replaced those sections, corresponding sections. आणि त्यांच्यानी थोडे additional sections काढल्या आणि they said that they want to file a supplementary reply. So matter is now fixed from 9th March for arguments.
सो ते लुथरा ब्रदर्स त्यांची जी बेल ॲप्लिकेशन रिजेक्ट झाली ती तुम्ही किती आता हायकोर्टान बी घालपाक आसा
ते अजून आम्ही काय डिसिजन घेऊन ना अजून.
And the court has been pleased to extend the stay order that was granted in the last date of hearing, and now the matter is fixed on 13th of March in the Mali session. The Panchayat appealed in the matter and opposed any extension of stay order, but however the court considered my request to extend the stay order. The stay order has been extended. So now the matter will come up for hearing on 13th of March, and they are told to file reply to my stay application as well as the opinion.
मजगती बर्च क्लब अग्निकांडान हायकोर्टान घातिल्ल्या स्वेच्छादखल याचिकेन आनीक कांय जाणांची नांवां नोंद जाल्यात. तातूंत विजय लक्ष्मी खोसला, बर्चाचो धनी सुरिंदर कुमार खोसलाचे बायलेचेंय नांव आस्पावता. हायकोर्टान तांकां रिप्लाय फायल करपाक 2 सप्तकांची मुजत दिल्या. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार आनी सौरभ शिरोडकार.